Hello, taxpayers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're demystifying the process of filing income tax returns step by step. Whether you're a salaried individual, a freelancer, or a business owner, this guide will help you navigate the ITR process. Let's dive into the world of tax compliance and financial responsibility. 1. Gather your documents. Collect essential documents like PAN, Aadhaar, Form 16, bank statements, and investment proofs. 2. Access the income tax portal. Visit the official income tax e-filing website, www.incometaxindiafiling.gov.in. Log in using your PAN, password, and CAPTCHA code. 3. Choose the right ITR form. Select the appropriate ITR form based on your income sources and category. 4. Fill in the details. Enter your income details, deductions, and exemptions. Double check it. 5. Verify and submit. Review your ITR form. E-verify using Aadhaar OTP or net banking. 6. Keep supporting documents handy. Maintain records of your ITR filing, acknowledgement, and other relevant documents. Congratulations! You've successfully filed your income tax return. Remember, timely filing ensures compliance and peace of mind. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, stay financially savvy.